Greetings everyone. In today's video I will show you how to upload high quality photos and videos on Facebook. First of all, open Facebook apps in your mobile. Go to settings and privacy. Click on it and now click on the settings. So now we are in the interface of Meta Center and we have to select media in the preference. Just click on it, media. So now here you can see that the video quality, you can see the video quality option like optimized and data saver. If you select the optimized, then video will be adjust the resolution to network condition, and if you select the data saver, then the video will lower the resolution for all videos. So this is the way how you can upload high quality photos and videos in your Facebook account. Thanks for watching this video.